You have to love women based on their own love language. And this is the biggest mistake most guys make. You need to understand how she loves and give her more of it. But see, most of us, we're touch or words of affirmation. We're very touchy. That's how most guys love. So we end up loving her that way, but her love language is completely different, and you don't even know how to love women, and that's why you probably can't keep women. That's why you can't even get a girlfriend. So today, boys, I'm going to show you the 5 different ways to love a woman. Let's hop into this. Also, before I get into this, I do need to do a warning. This is for established relationships, right? Like you actually got like sexual interaction with the person. Don't do this for a friend or a girl that doesn't even like you. Let's hop into this. Number 1, touch her. This is a crucial love language to consider early. See, these type of girls are always touchy, they're always huggy, they're always all over you, they're super clingy. And this is basic. This is just as the love language says. This is because they feel the most connected with you when they're doing something physically, like kissing, hugging, touching, holding hands, or having intercourse. Number 2, gifts. Look, don't get it confused. This is not a gold digger. This love language, it's completely normal. This is the type of girl that feels love with visual acts and visual acts of love. And a lot of times it's not even about the monetary value, but instead the symbol or the physical act of getting her something. A lot of times it could be a creative gift, and this depends on you. This is why I'm saying it has nothing to do with being a gold digger. You get to give her whatever you decide or assume is best. So for me, the more you're in a relationship with somebody, the more you love her, the more I like to spend on her. For example, my wife, I love to spoil her. I love to get her diamonds and jewelry, just stuff where I feel like I'm spoiling her. And even though her love language isn't gifts, her love language is other things, I still like to do that because I love to give gifts. So this is something that most girls will like to an extent. The love language of gifting, girls love this. And if you're in the gifting scene, yo, Valentine's Day's around the corner. If your girl's love language is gifts, you need to get her something good, bro. And what's better than diamonds? Like, think about it. And I'm going to hook you up. See, our sponsor, James Allen, they always hook it up with diamonds. See, diamonds are a girl's best friend. We already know this. And diamonds are expensive. We know that as well. With James Allen, you get the most affordable diamonds possible because they're selling straight to you, straight to consumer. What I love about JamesAllen.com is that it's the fastest online retailer for engagement rings. So you're getting the best of the best with access to over 200,000 diamonds. And the cool part is that it feels like you're in person. They have a 360 camera on every diamond where you can grab any diamond that you select and look at it almost as if you were in person. And then they even have a virtual try-on feature so you can see the diamond from every angle and even see it on the hand of the person to see if that's something that they would like. So whether you're about to engage with your girl or you just want to get her a nice gift like a diamond bracelet like this or these diamond earrings that are from JamesAllen.com, you can get her like top of the line diamonds at the most affordable price possible. Another cool thing with James Allen is that there's a lot of versatility in diamond selection. Not only can you get earth or natural diamonds, you can also get lab created diamonds, which right now are extremely popular. They look just as good as the real stuff, and they'll be a fraction of the price. And I promise you, yo, your girl's gonna love them just as much. Boys, if you're in that shopping mood, which most men are that have a relationship, you got Valentine's around the corner, shop right now. Go to JamesAllen.com. Right now, there's a limited time sale where you're going to get 25% off a lot of pieces. If you guys want to check those out, you don't even have to apply a discount code. Again, just go to JamesAllen.com. It's going to be linked down below. Number 3, spend time. These type of girls love simple, straightforward, uninterrupted time. So no gaming, no being on your phone 24/7 and ignoring her. This is exactly why I've told you, when you're on a first date, I want you to be present. Don't be on your phone. Don't be ignoring her. I want you to be here. That uninterrupted time, this is what fuels her love. Simple walks at night, going to the beach, walking around the city, yo, going on a mini vacation, just that quality time. This is the type of stuff that'll make her fall in love. 4, verbally seduce her. This is the type of girl that loves words of affirmation. This is the way she feels love. Basically, you have to be smooth through the delivery here. You want to emphasize what she means to you. You want to appreciate her. Tell her why you love her. Verbally, constantly be telling her that stuff. That girl's gonna love you. And finally, number 5 is doing things for her or acts of service. This is the type of girl that will feel loved when she feels that you're her partner in crime, that she feels that you always got her back no matter what. Anything that you can do for her that's gonna alleviate her workload or her stress levels, she's gonna see that as a sign of love and fall even more madly in love with you. And again, P.S., you don't wanna do this unless it's really her love language. If you overdo it, you're just gonna come across as a simp. But again, I'm putting in that warning. Like I said originally, these 5 love languages, you want to deploy them when you're in a relationship, where you actually have some sort of sexual connection with that person. If you don't, if she doesn't even know you like her yet, this is not the stuff you want to deploy. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out jamesallen.com. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.